What we've got here is an equilateral triangle. Now that means that each one of these corners is 60. If I split it in half, this angle would be 30. Now if I wanted to work out this side here, do Pythagoras, so this is the hypotenuse, 2 squared minus 1 squared equals 3. So this bit would be root 3. Now if I wanted sine 30, so that's our 30 here, it's the opposite over the hypotenuse, so sine 30 is a half. If I wanted cos 60, it is here, so cos 60 is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is also a half. If I wanted sine 60, it's the opposite over the hypotenuse, so it'd be root 3 over 2. Cos 30 is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so that's also root 3 over 2. Now if I wanted tan 30, tan is the opposite over the adjacent, so the opposite over the adjacent, so it'd be 1 over root 3. And if I wanted tan 60, it would be the opposite over the adjacent. So it'd be root 3 over 1, which we can just write as root 3. Now that does your angles of 30 and 60. Now if we draw another triangle, this is an isosceles, that's 1 and 1. This would therefore be 45, and so would this. So if I wanted sine 45, we use this angle. It's the opposite over the hypotenuse. Now this hypotenuse is going to be 1 squared add 1 squared, which is 2, so this is root 2. So sine 45 is 1 over root 2. Now cos 45 is exactly the same. If I wanted tan 45, it's going to be 1 divided by 1, which is just 1.